Hello, welcome back, Mr. Heeb. I saw one error in my code before. Maybe you saw this. But when we do hand 1 plus all new cards, we want to say hand 1 equals hand 1 plus all new cards, and hand 2 equals hand 2 plus all new cards, so that otherwise we put the new cards at the end of hand 2, but we need to save it back as hand 2, or else it just goes away. Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to do this where it's just not the top card that gets looked at, it is many cards that looked at. So right now we're just doing one card. Now to do many cards, after we deal at the hands, we want it to continue to go for a long time. So I'm going to use a while loop. And we could use a for loop if we were going to do it for 4 or 5 hands in a row or 10 hands in a row. But we don't know how long this is going to go. We're going to keep doing this until somebody runs out of cards. So I'm going to say, well, the length of hand 1 is greater than 0. And the length of hand 2 is greater than 0. So if both of those are true, we're going to keep doing this. So I'm going to highlight all of this. Oh, here. Of course, it's not going to work well for me while I'm making a video. I just have to move the rest of these over. Alright, so now it's all moved over, so it's all of this happens while they are while there's cards. Now if I run this, this just keeps going on and on and on forever, and like a normal war game, we don't know how long it's going to last. So I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to, let's print out each time to see how far people are. So I'm going to say player 1 has plus, we're going to say the length of hand 1 plus cards. So we're just going to tell people, oh, I said player 2. And I just thought of a problem I'm going to have here. Since the length is an integer, we want to turn that to a string, so we have a full string across the board here. And now I'm just going to copy that. And now we're going to say player 2 has the length of hand 2 cards. And now let's run this and see what's happening. So now you can see player 2 was leading. Now player 1's leading. And this is exactly why I dislike war, as it just keeps on going on and on and on. Now, cards are slowly leaving this deck, and that's because I got a little lazy, per se. Is somebody going to win? Player 1's down to 4 cards. Take him out. 2. 2's the lowest we got. Now it's back up to 7 or 8. Geez, this might go on forever. But while this is going on, I can explain why the number's decreasing. Here, if it's a super draw, so if they draw twice in a row, I just remove 2 cards from the deck. So eventually, there's going to be no cards in the deck if we let this run long enough, and then it's going to, assuming that there's the same card twice, it's going to slowly deplete. But now they are about even, and it might take us 5 minutes to just see who the winner is here. So I feel like hopefully you guys get the point of what's going on here, and so we can be done with this video.